Now we go to WordPress Page Templates. To do this, of course, go to the page that you want to work on. Let's go back to the About Me page that we did the last time. Click on Edit. Then find the Page Attributes box. It's right here. As you can see, it is set to default template. So click on the drop-down menu here. Choose one of the options. Let's go ahead and choose Full Width Page. Now you either have the option to save it first by clicking on Save Draft, then previewing it so that at least you get to see what it looks like before you finally publish your page. If you change your mind, just go back to your WordPress page and then choose another template and then save it again before clicking on Preview. Now, once you're certain that the changes that you made are final and you want to publish the site or you want to publish the page, just click Publish. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.